In the fast-paced world of technology, control can make or break a company's success. Maritime Robotics, a pioneer in marine systems, faced a significant challenge: inventory control. After years of using manual methods, the demand for a smarter solution became unavoidable. Enter MRPeasy, a game-changing MRP software that promises clarity and efficiency for teams. "We can find the necessary piece of information in seconds now," says Tor Eric Nab. With implementation starting slow, the team gradually saw the transformation take place. From one user to over 30, the newfound system became integral to their operations. "We went from zero inventory control to having everything 80% under control," Neb proudly states. Positive changes extended beyond internal processes, delighting customers with standardized shipping documents. For any growing manufacturing company, learning the MRP basics is key to successful implementation.